which is very cold. So if you guys ever been to the penguin exhibit, that water there is 50 degrees. So this water is only 2 degrees higher than the penguin exhibit. So this is little Mackie right here. The sound that you hear him is burping. That's the only sound that you'll hear coming out of their mouth. All the other sounds are coming from the top of their blowhole. Hi. They are very curious animals, and they will come over to see what's going on. They can see very well. They can see everywhere in front of them except for